Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Engineering Made Simple. Now in today's lecture we are going to study about University of Norgate. So now we are going to study of University of Norgate. So in the similar manner we will prove its university. We proved University of Nangate in the last class. So in order to prove University of Norgate, we will first start proving the University of Norgate using Norgate. Not realization using only knowledge. So what is the logical expression or Boolean expression for your NOT gate? Y is equal to A bar. And what is the logical expression for a NOR gate? That is A plus B bar. Now what we have to do, using this particular gate which is a NOT gate, you have to realize a NOR. You have to realize a NOT gate. So we have NOR gate with us, and we want to realize NOT gate using NOR gate. So how will you do that? So here is the logic diagram. So this is the NOR gate. Whose logic equation is given by A plus B the whole complement. So this is its logical symbol and its Boolean expression, output expression. So y is equal to A plus B the whole complement. Now we want this particular gate to function as a NOT gate. How will you realize that? Start its two input terminals. So this is a NOR gate as it is. And then again we need to short its two input terminals, and then give it a common input such as A is equal to B. Now because both the inputs are shorted, so A is equal to B will be there. Then what will be at the output when A is equal to B? So this is A plus B the whole complement. So A will remain as it is plus A complement. And what is A plus A? As per rules of Boolean algebra, A plus A is equal to A as per rules of Boolean algebra. So therefore, at the final step we get this one. This is our NOR gate IC, whose input B is equal to A. That's the reason. Because A plus A will be A, so here we will replace that. So y is equal to A bar. So this is how you will realize NOT gate using only NOR gates. Now we will move on to realize our second basic gate, which is OR gate. Now we are realizing OR gate realization using NOR gate. So we are realizing an OR gate using only a NOR gate. So what is the Boolean expression or logical expression for an OR gate? Y is equal to A plus B. But now we want to realize this OR gate using NOR gate only. So how will you do? Take double inversion or double complement of the equation 1. So we want to realize a circuit whose logical expression is y is equal to A plus B. Therefore we take its double complement. And after taking its double complement, we get equation number 2, which is nothing but equation of OR gate realization using NOR gate. Now see, it is very simple to understand. See, we want to realize this particular equation. What is this equation? A plus B, and there is no complement present over here. But as you know, what is the Boolean expression for your NOR gate? Normal two input NOR gate, y is equal to A plus B the whole complement. But now we have this circuit and we want to realize this one. So what is the best way to nullify this complement? Take its double complement. So this second equation which we have got over here is nothing but, it is the same as the equation 1, because A plus B double complement is nothing but A plus B as per rules of Boolean algebra. And that's the reason, and because of the double complements which are present over here, we are able to realize it using only NOR gates. because what is the logical expression or Boolean expression for NOR gate? Y is equal to a plus b the whole complement. Now because we want to realize it using NOR gates, that's the reason we have taken this double complement, so that its meaning does not change, and as a result we get complements on top of it. So it is helpful for us to realize using NOR gate. So at the first step we have first in complement C. When we realize this equation number 2 I have drawn. So this is a plus b the whole complement, because I have passed it to single 2 input NOR gate, and after which I have connected in series a NOT gate which I have realized using NOR gates. So this a plus b whole complement, after the inverter or NOT gate, it becomes a plus b double complement. So this is how you realize OR gate using NOR gate. So now we move on to realize AND gate using a NOR gate. So how will you go about realizing an AND gate using a NOR gate IC? So what is the logic expression for an AND gate? Y is equal to A into B. Now we want to realize this particular expression using only NOR gate. So for that what we will do? We will take double complement or double inversion of equation 1. So that I have taken. So this is y is equal to A dot B the whole double complement. And then as you can observe, this is A dot B the whole complement's complement. So what is A dot B the whole complement as per De Morgan's theorem? It is A bar plus B bar. So in the next step we replace that. Y is equal to A complement plus B complement the whole complement. And this A complement plus B complement is obtained by De Morgan's theorem. So this is how we get final logic expression for AND gate realization using NOR gate. So this is our final expression. Now we want to realize a digital circuit or AND gate circuit using only NOR gates. So what was this expression? So this is A bar plus B bar. So these are NOT gates using NOR gates. So this will give me A bar and B bar, and these are added and one complement is there. So for that this final NOR gate is used. So for addition of these two and final complement, this particular NOR gate is used. So this is how you realize AND gate using a NOR gate. Now let us move on to realize NAND gate using only NOR gate. So this is what I have written over here. NAND gate realization using a NOR gate. So what is the expression for logic expression for NAND gate? Y is equal to A dot B the whole complement. Now what is A dot B the whole complement as per alternative way of writing A dot B the whole complement as per De Morgan's theorem? It is the same thing, but only by applying De Morgan's theorem we write y is equal to A bar plus B bar, and we denote this as equation number 1. And then we want to realize NAND gate. So what we will do? We will have to take double complement of this expression, so its meaning doesn't change. So essentially what this is, this equation number 2 is nothing but NOR gate representation of this y is equal to A dot B the whole bar. So when we take the double inversion or double complement of equation 1, we get an equation which is y is equal to A complement plus B complement the whole double complement. So now how will you realize this NAND gate circuit using NOR gate? So this is the equation we have got. So see, as usual, using connecting A and B in NOT gate configuration, we have A bar and B bar, which we again those complements of inputs we again apply to a NOR gate IC. From that we get A bar plus B A bar plus B bar the whole complement, and then again at the final stage we attach a NOR gate in NOR gate in not configuration. NOT gate in not configuration. So here we have at the final NOR gate we have A complement plus B complement the whole double complement. So we have realized our particular expression, or in other words we have realized NAND gate NAND gate realization using a NOR gate. Now we move on to realize XOR gate using a NOR gate IC. So how will you realize an XOR gate? What is the logical or Boolean expression for XOR gate? Y is equal to A XOR B. An alternate way of writing the same expression is A bar B plus AB bar. So I have given it as equation number 1. And then after taking double inversion of 1, what do we get? So y is equal to A bar B plus AB bars. The whole expression is double complement I have taken. And let's denote A bar B as some Boolean variable x, AB bar as some Boolean variable z, and then replace it in that equation number 1 after taking double inversion. So what do we get? Y is equal to x plus z, the whole raised to double complement. But if you observe the expression x plus z, the whole complement it is. But what is x plus z complement? So x plus z the whole complement is equal to x bar plus z bar. That we obtain using De Morgan's theorem. So that's why in the next step I have written y is equal to x bar dot z bar, the whole complement, because I have applied De Morgan's theorem to its inner complement. Now here, then in the next step, we have again, in this step we have replaced the values of x as A bar B and z as AB bar. So that's the reason we have replaced x in terms of A bar B, and z also is replaced by AB bar. So the equation after replacing the real values of x and z, that is A bar B and AB bar, and reason for using these variables x and z was nothing but for simplification purposes. So now we get this expression A bar B the whole complement into AB bar the whole complement, and the entire expression whole complement. And then again we apply De Morgan's theorem. Now we have expression of type A bar dot B bar, if you look at it. And then when we apply De Morgan's theorem, we get an expression A dot B the whole complement. So that is nothing but A plus B bar and into A bar plus B the whole complement. Now in the next step, now this expression we are having. Now we are having it in the NAND form. We want the output in terms of NOR gate. The circuit realization in terms of a NOR gate. So that's the reason again we apply De Morgan's theorem. So here we get, now this is expression of type A dot B the whole complement. So again when we apply De Morgan, so A plus B bar, let us assume, is A, and A bar plus B is B. So A dot B the whole complement is nothing but A bar plus B bar as per De Morgan's theorem. So again I have written over here. So by De Morgan's, the same thing can be also rewritten as A plus B the whole A plus B complement the whole complement plus A bar plus B the whole complement. So this is by De Morgan's. So this we denote as our equation number A. Also, so this bifurcation that you see from here, I have connected a NOT gate, which also I have realized using NOR gate only. So this I have connected to signal cable A, so that I get the output A complement. And similarly I have connected another NOT gate which I have realized using NOR gate again to get B's complement also. And then I have taken its output downwards, so that I will be able to tap them as input in the next step. Now in the next step, what is our first part? C. This is A plus B bar. So A plus B bar. Now what is the signal line for A? So I have tapped the signal from here. So A and B bar also we have obtained over here. So we will simply tap from the signal line. So this is the output B bar, because this was B, so and we have connected a NOT gate over here, and this is how we obtain B bar. So this B bar signal line is over here. So we simply tap it and take it to the input of another NOR gate. So A plus B the whole complement we get over here. And similarly for the next term, that is A complement plus B the whole complement, here we have A complement output line of this NOT gate, so which gives us the input in complemented form. So that is A complement we have over here. So we have tapped it and taken it to the input of another NOR gate, and then we have also connected it to input B. And what was the signal line for B? Digital signal line for B. This was the signal line or input line for B. So this is nothing but A complement and B at the input of a NOR gate, we get the output as A complement plus B the whole complement. And here also, when we obtain these two terms, we have obtained these two terms, but addition is there in between, and also one complement is there on top of it. So in order to obtain that, we have added another NOR gate over here, this particular NOR gate. So at the output of this NOR gate, what we get, A plus B complements the whole complement, and A complement plus B the whole complement, because of the NOR gate present over here. And again, when we connect a NOR gate in series, which acts as a NOT gate in series, we get the final expression, which is the double complemented form. So again, I will write it over here clearly. So at the input of this output of this particular NOR gate, we get A complement plus B plus A plus B complement, whole complement. Now, but we want double complement at the input. So in order to get the double complement, we again apply a NOT gate in series in order to realize this particular expression. So this is the circuit realization of XOR gate using NOR gate. Now we want to realize the last gate, that is XNOR gate using NOR gate. Now what was the logic expression for XNOR gate? It was A XNOR B. A XNOR operation B. See this dot and dot encircled within a circle, meaning it indicates XNOR logical operation. But there is an alternative way of writing this particular expression, that is y is equal to A bar B bar plus AB, which is nothing but logic expression for our XNOR gate, and this we want to realize using only NOR gates. So for that, let us do our procedure. So y is equal to A bar B bar plus AB. Take double complement of this particular expression, which is equation number 1. So take double complement or double inversion of equation 1 in order to get equation number A. So this is A bar B bar plus AB, the whole expression's double complement. So this is equation A. Then again apply De Morgan's theorem to its inner complement. So from by that we get A bar B bar the whole complement into A dot B the whole complement and the complement of entire expression. So this we get by De Morgan's theorem. I have written the reason over here. Then again apply De Morgan's theorem to these inner terms. So this, what is this A bar dot B bar can be written using. So what you will write in place of A bar dot B bar using De Morgan's theorem? That is nothing but we will replace it by A plus B the whole complement. How will you write A plus B the whole complement? By applying De Morgan's theorem, we will write the same thing as A complement plus B complement the whole complement, and the entire expression, this complement at the top will remain as it is. So this is by De Morgan's theorem. Then again, so this is like, this expression is like A dot B the whole complement. So again we apply De Morgan's theorem over here to get this particular expression. So A plus B the whole complement plus in bracket A complement plus B complement whole complement. So this we obtain using De Morgan's law, and we have labeled it as B. So after taking double complement and Boolean simplifications using De Morgan's theorem, we obtain, till now we obtain the simplified version of this XNOR gate using De Morgan's theorem. But we want to realize this using only NOR gates. So for that we need to again take the double complement or double inversion of equation B. So let's take double complement of equation B. So when we take double complement of or double inversion of equation B, we obtain this particular equation, which I have labeled it to be expression which I have labeled it to equation as equation number C. And this equation number C is nothing but the logic expression for XNOR gate using NOR gates. So now once we have obtained the logic expression, our next step is to draw its circuit diagram. So let us draw its circuit diagram. So I will explain it. So this is the first NOR gate over here with inputs A and B. So it will produce an output A plus B the whole complement. So this is our first term of the expression which we want to realize, that is a plus b the whole complement, and this is the second NOR gate over here. So from which we get at the output a plus b the a complement plus b complement the whole complement, and these two are at the inputs of another NOR gate, because we want to realize this particular expression. So till now we have realized this part, till here we have realized these two parts, we have realized till here, and when I apply these as inputs to this particular NOR gate, I get equation number b. So what is equation number b? A plus b the whole complement I get over here, a plus b the whole complement multiplied by a complement plus b complement the whole complement, and the entire expression's complement. So I have simply written, when I pass these inputs to this particular NOR gate, I get this equation number b over here. But our final output has one more complement, so that's the reason I have connected a NOT gate using NOR gates. So this particular NOT gate gives me the final complement, which is at the top in our expression C over here. So when we pass equation B and take its complement by connecting a NOT gate in series, and this NOT gate is designed using NOR gate only, we get the final output expression C, or Boolean expression C, which is nothing but our XNOR gate realization using NOR gates. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification of all my latest uploads. Thank you.